Hello everyone. In this lesson, I will show you how to create a corduroy texture in Adobe Photoshop software. I am creating a new file with dimensions equal to 500 pixels square. I will change the foreground color to a shade of khaki in the color picker dialog. With the paint bucket tool selected, I will drop this color onto the canvas by left clicking. I need to create a stripe pattern for corduroy effect. So I will create a new file in 20 pixel square and I will zoom in by using the keyboard shortcut key CTRL with plus sign. I will apply the background eraser tool on the canvas in order to make a transparent background. I will use the rectangular marquee tool and select 50% of the background vertically and drop black color inside this selection with the help of paint bucket tool. Note that in the options bar, I have selected the option to drop color with the paint bucket tool. I will use CTRL plus D on the keyboard to deselect and then go to the edit menu. Here, I will click on define pattern. I will specify a pattern name as corduroy stripe and then click on OK. I will now go to the layer menu, select new and add new layer. This is layer 1 in the layer panel. I will select the paint bucket tool, set the options to pattern in options bar and choose the newly created corduroy stripe pattern. I will drop this pattern style in layer 1 like this. In the blend mode of layer panel, I will choose soft light from the drop down list and reduce the opacity to 92% by moving the opacity slider. I will go to the layer menu now and select merge down. With this action, I have merged the two layers in the layer panel. I will open the add noise command from the filter menu. In this dialog, I will keep the monochromatic checkbox checked. In distribution, I will choose Gaussian. Preview checkbox must be checked so that I can see the changes I'm making to the amount of noise that I'm adding. I will click on OK and go to the filter menu. Here, I will click on the blur command and choose motion blur. In the dialog box, I will set the amount of blur to 4 and angle equal to 7. And then I will click on OK. I will save this pattern in BMP or GIF format so that I can load it in Illustrator and apply it in my fashion illustrations. Note that to create a knit fabric texture like this, the procedure is the same as corduroy texture, but you need to create a different kind of pattern fill. Please watch this tutorial. I'm creating a new pattern in 20 pixel square like this and with a transparent background. I'm zooming in and now I will select the elliptical marquee tool to draw and fill a circle with black color. Note, the circle is covering only one-fourth of the canvas. I will right-click inside the selection and choose Layer via Copy. I will use the Move tool to drag and place this duplicate layer right below the first circle. I will go to the Edit menu and select Define Pattern and label my new pattern as Knit and then click on OK. Now I will create a new fabric swatch in 300 pixel square. Please follow the procedure of corduroy fabric. Please remember to change the option to background color to fill color using the paint bucket tool. Remember to fill layer 2 with knit texture instead of corduroy stripe in this case. In motion blur dialog, keep preview checkbox checked. Keep adjusting the angle until your swatch looks like a proper knit fabric.